Good afternoon. Kita mulai dengan pantun ya. We're going to start with pantun. I'm not sure whether you understand this or not, but let's just, enjoy the atmosphere. Okay? Okay. Cakepnya ya. Ini spontanitas loh. Jadi minum kopi pagi hari. Jangan lupa ambil pastry. Ke Jakarta belajar literasi numerasi. Dari Flinders University. Okay. So it feels like we were just starting out yesterday, and now we are getting closer to the end of this all. So we are going to wrap up our time together in this literacy and numeracy program. Before we go too far into the fun, there will be many fun ahead. Let's take a quick, respectful moment to honor the relationship between the two countries, the two nations, Indonesia and Australia. We will be singing two national anthems, Indonesia Raya and Advance Australia Fair. Stand up, please. Thank you, Bapak Ibu. Please be seated. Okay, now we will be hearing a report and a closing remarks from the assistants or the one who has been our guiding stars together with Ibu Cecilia for the past 5 days. And therefore, we would like to invite Bapak Zainur to have the floor.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Alfa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Selamat sore. Selamat sore. Sugeng Sonten. Sugeng Sonten means good afternoon. In bahasa Jawa. In Javanese. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tadi sudah ya. Distinguished facilitator from Flinders University, the one and only Mr. Gliders, no. Mr. Gilders. and Mr. Nix. Respected teacher from 35 Indonesian province, all participants, and especially for Mr. Shamsul and Mr. Idam. Today we conclude the 5-day in-person micro-credential training in literacy and numeracy. This program has brought together 30 exceptional teachers from across Indonesia who have demonstrated strong commitment, curiosity, and reflective engagement throughout this workshop. Across these 5 days, all planned sessions, from inquiry-based learning, authentic assessment, actionable feedback, differentiation, technology integration, to collaborative planning, have been successfully completed. Your participation and contribution have been truly inspiring. Allow me to emphasize one message. Today is not the finish line. Today is the starting point. This micro-credential is not merely a certificate. It is a foundation, a momentum for your professional growth. After today, we move into online action project, weekly and Q&A session with Flinders University Academy, final online presentation and dissemination. Please continue your action plans, apply them in your schools, and share your learning with your professional communities. As Indonesian educators, it is meaningful to recall the educational philosophy of Ki Hajar Dewantara, the father of Indonesian education, whose idea remain highly relevant to modern pedagogy. Ki Hajar taught that education is guiding all the natural potential within children so that they grow into fully developed human beings and responsible members of society. This aligns beautifully with the heart of this training. We do not simply teach literacy and numeracy, we guide, we empower, and we liberate students to learn independently. His well-known principle, tuturi handayani, to guide from behind, means that the best educator provides support while giving space for students to grow and take ownership of their learning. Another essential Taman Siswa philosophy is 3N. The first one, niteni, niroke, and nambai. Niteni means noticing or observing. You have observed new knowledge and practice this week. Niroke means imitating or trying. You will begin modeling these strategies into your classroom. And the last one is nambai, or improving, enhancing. Ultimately, you will adapt, expand, and innovate this practice to suit your students' needs. This principle reflects a continuous learning cycle, which is exactly what we aim for through this micro-credential. On behalf of the ministry, I would like to extend my deepest appreciation to all participants for your passion, dedication, and outstanding enthusiasm. Our sincere gratitude also goes to the Flinders Academy team for your professionalism, expertise, and strong collaboration. Your contribution is immensely valuable to Indonesia's effort in strengthening literacy and numeracy education. Wakili Kemendikbudrismen, I sincerely apologize for any shortcoming or limitation during the organization of this training. We will continue to improve for further program. Dear teachers, you are the frontliners of educational transformation. In the spirit of Taman Siswa, only an empowered teacher can empower student. May this training become the spark that ignites meaningful change in your schools, your classroom, and your communities. And may it continue to grow into a movement that elevates education across Indonesia. Thank you, congratulations, and see you in the online session. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. KHD, UDL, Students Agency, is something similar with KHD, Ki Hajar Dewantara. So, of course, this micro-credential program will ignite our, motivation to always do our best for the students. So, on behalf of my colleagues here, I would like to send gratitude to the Ministry, Kemendikbudrismen, and therefore I would like to invite Bapak Syamsul Hadi as the representative of Ministry of Education, General of Teachers, Education Personnel, and Teacher Education to officially close this micro-credential program. To Bapak, the floor is yours.
Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, excuse me, so I cannot speak English. I will speak Indonesia. Okay, Bapak Ibu yang saya hormati, maybe for this we have get knowledge from our host itu narasumber. Okay. As you know, kita sudah mendapatkan berbagai macam pengetahuan, pemahaman, dan wawasan terkait dengan bagaimana kita mengimplementasikannya nanti di dalam kelas sama-sama. Seperti kalau Ibnu Ruslan dalam bukunya mengatakan begini, wa kullu man bighairi ilmin ya'malu amaluhu mardudatun la tuqbalu. Everyone who work without knowledge, that is bad. Like if we use prompting, bad prompting is bad result. So that selama 5 hari kita sudah mendapatkan pencerahan, dan if we refer to community of inquiry, so that our knowledge that in community of inquiry, community like teaching person, social person, and cognitive person, we can implementasi in our class like Mr. Gilder, how do I say? I like it. That it mean we use social person in our class. Oke, saya tidak akan memperpanjang kalam. Mari kita sama-sama tutup acara kita dengan sama-sama say Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Sekian, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Bapak Syamsul Hadi. Okay, let's change the pace if it's been too formal, right? Are you ready for the fun part? Okay, so in a minute we will enjoy a special group performance And this group is so dedicated. We spent yesterday, like the night session, for this practice. So let us welcome the awesome talents of Lithium Class 25.
Abang, habisin abang lagi ya? Oh iya, abang, tayar tuh. Ini ya.
Is the application of MTSS.
So it's everyone? Oh, okay. It's everyone.
Yo, everybody, let's go. We're going to sing and dance.
Kameramen siapa? Oh ada. Jangan ke tengah itu The singer is from Mawit sama Tulisa mana?
Lihat Areno naik, semakin menyalai, kakak hati susah.
Dulu dan Naila suka mencari udah berkawan rasa kawan, tapi Denai diangkat.
Makin banyak bikin kakak suka, dua dan kepang dua sekarang rambut merah-merah.
Kalian manis pulang rantau dari mana? Ada timur yang terlalu pasang gaya depan kakak. Kakak jadi jatuh, kakak tak bola balik.
Lihat
Adeno naik, semakin menyalai, kakak hati susah.
ada bikin kakak bete, di malam bola balik. Sejak kakak lihat Ade, Tuhan ampuni. Yeah, team, let's go. Everybody, let's go, let's join. Adek lewat depan rumah, kakak jadi samping sampai pun berubah. Semangat tiba-tiba gara-gara adek nona. Gila-gila dari ibu siapa yang punya? Kakak lah calonnya hama. Barang itu ramai hama.
Langsung tanya di kampung hama, ternyata Adeno ini Maimunah. Maimunah, lucunya kakak harap bisa satu rumah. Kalau terima sepuluh cinta, kakak jadi
Kita langsung nikah.
Onde udah jangan baik turbana, demi kau indalanan serupa itu. Dia hanya pakai mancal yang udah mabak-mabakan. Dulu dan Naila suka mancal yang udah berkawan. Rasa-rasa kau aduh, tapi Denai diamkan. Wadah-wadah ini ada gagalan, sebalik Jawa tambah bening ajalan. Gaya semakin beda, biru merah-merah. Aduh mama, mama ini siapa punya anak?
Masih kecil-kecil,
Nona,
sekarang balik jauh makin cantik. Oh perfect sekali, ada dan jatuh dan tahu di langit.
sumpah tidak usah iman bodoh. Dia ada nonton gagal bikin kakak jadi suka. Dulu ada rambut kepang dua, sekarang rambut merah-merah. Kakak lihat ada tambah manis pulang rantau dari mana? Aduh ada yang lalu pasang gaya depan kakak. Kakak jadi jatuh, kakak tak bola balik. Dia lagi nonai, semakin menyalai, kakak hati susah. Ada bikin kakak mete, tidur malam bola balik. Sejak kakak lihat Ade, aduh Tuhan ampuni. Ada bikin kakak mete, tidur malam bola balik. Sejak kakak lihat Ade, aduh Tuhan ampuni.
Go.
DJ Emery.
Thank you very much. Bapak Ibu, let us give another round of applause for us.
Enough sport, yeah, after 5 days sitting.
Just so you know, I did Zumba for many years, so I know. That was my first Zumba.
Okay, next agenda will be a closing remarks by the senior lecturers of Flinders University. I will give you some time.
He's like sweating.
Makeup, please.
Dr. Gilder and Mr. Salzi, who has been very inspiring. Thank you very much. Our massive thanks to your what is that insight, expertise, education, collaboration. So let us hear from Dr. Gilder and Mr. Salzi, who will share their final closing thoughts. The floor is yours. So who'd like to start?
First of all, thank you for the opportunity, and I apologize for my English. Even though I'm a maths teacher who's usually devoid of emotion, these moments really get to me, so I'm not going to say too much because I will start crying. You guys have been absolutely amazing. In Australia, we have a lot of people who stop being teachers within the first 5 years of becoming a teacher. I've been a teacher for 6 years, so I've crossed that barrier. And being with you guys for the last 5 days has given me more inspiration than I have had over my entire teaching career. I felt a little bit like a goose amongst a bunch of ducks. You guys are amazing, absolutely amazing. I wasn't sure what I was doing here initially, but then I thought, you know what? If I can learn from them, pick up their skills, even if it's just a little bit of it, then I would have done really, really well here. I also want to say a massive thank you to Dr. Glider here. The bloke is a legend. Bloke is like mates. He's so inspirational. I look up to him a lot, even though I don't know him super well, but now I definitely do. Is that me? Maybe I won't talk under all four speakers. But yeah, a huge thank you to Dr. Gilder. He was a huge inspiration, a huge driving force, an organisational force. He did so much for me. I honestly felt like he was kind of dragging me along a little bit there. So he's absolutely amazing. You guys have been amazing. Thank you so much for having us all. And that's all from me.
So from day one, Nick and I have, talked about you, and we've been so impressed with the level of knowledge, of inquiry, of commitment that you have towards your job, your country, your students, and it's just amazing. It's so inspiring. Okay, and these 5 weeks has been full of that. Every day, we discover new things. We discuss ways to support our students, and that energy never went down. Even after lunch today, you still were willing to keep debating, even when we're having our short break. The conversations continue even after this today. I know that some of you want to still talk to me, and I'm happy because I've been in different countries and I've taught all kinds of people. And let me tell you that at the end of the day, across languages, across borders, we're still the same. We're the same people, passionate with teaching others how to become better citizens. So yes, we all have struggles, we all have issues with what policy says, but we remain, no matter throughout all these years, those important peoples that you mentioned as part of Inspire in Indonesia and the education system. Well, you will do the same, okay? In a few years, your name will also be in the mouth of your students, praising you for that motivation, that energy that you gave. Okay, so that's my message for all of you. Thank you very much. Keep doing a good job. And in Japan, they have this phrase that is called Ichigo Ichien. And I love that phrase because it translates something like once in a lifetime. And it means that this moment, these 5 days, will stay in our memories forever. And they won't repeat. They won't repeat. So we have to value and remember them with happiness because it's once in a lifetime. Thank you very much.
And thank you very much, Mr. Gilder, Mr. Salzi. Next, I think I remember what Ibu Kiki, if I'm mistaken, when we discuss about challenges when we teach, and then somebody responded, "Time will heal, time will heal." Okay, so next is the testimonials from representatives of the participants. Allow us to share some of our thoughts. And it will be from Mr. Emery and also Ibu Syahda. Okay. Let's invite Ibu Syahda and Bapak Emery to join us in front. I think we have some video to be played, right? Yeah. So, can we play it now? The video, please? One, two, three.
Literasi edukasi 25, gokil, impactful.
Inspiring.
Exciting ideas.
Brilliant.
Magnificent. Amazing. My writing, my voice. Love your child. Count and joy. Mind blowing. Great job. So literacy. Powering. Stereo you. Joyful. Best teacher. Very perfect symmetry. Humanist and inclusive. Engaging. Phenomenal!
Marvelous.
Second to none.
Scaffolding. Splendid. Wonderful. Students lab. University Academy. Thank you.
We made it last night. Okay, Ibu Syahda. Ibu Syahda and Bapak Emery.
Thank you. Okay, so to start this testimony, when I first heard about this program through a website, it's called Literacy and Numeracy, I thought, and then I was selected to be one of the participants, and I thought that, ooh, should I bring a calculator or a dictionary, possibly? Apparently that's not true. What I needed was a growth mindset and willingness to learn, and also listen and revise and redefine all the things that I've known before, and then with the new knowledge, obviously, with the constructivism as usual. And also I think that all the participants here are amazing, so to all the fellow teachers, really thankful for all their shared laughters, and also in this case I would like to show my deepest and sincere appreciation to both facilitators, Dr. Alvarez and also Nick, and also for the insightful and the new knowledge. We truly appreciate it. So, to all my fellow teachers, as much as we are as teachers, I believe we're just simply a community of learners. As Dr. Zen said, we're all learners as much as we are teachers. So keep growing, and I believe what we've got so far, nothing but an inspiring journey. So we've all been in this journey together. Obviously, we're going to have like another 2-3 weeks online session, which is tough. But I believe you're all going to complete this rather than, paying back the money given by the government. That's all what we are going to avoid. So keep that in mind, everybody. And so it's been inspiring. I've been inspired by all of you, especially the two of you, and also Bu Cecile, obviously, and Dr. Zain. And obviously what we are going to apply in our classroom especially, and also the dissemination, Bapak, yes, as you mentioned, it's going to give a big impact to our community, especially in our school. And so the next testimony will be delivered by Pak Amri. Floor is yours.
Yes, I think most of the comments have been given by Nisha, so I'm out of words. So, but one thing that I would like to inform is that, to convey is that in the very beginning, most of us actually said, I'm sorry, my English is very bad. Like that, right? But apparently, as we interact with each other, we understand that language is just a way of communicating. So if you understand what I'm saying and I understand what you're saying, then it's a successful communication. So don't be afraid to use your language, and I would like to say become eloquent. And the next one is that I really would like to comment. Thank you very much. Wait. So I would like to give, I'm writing it. I would like to comment on how our keynote speakers our lecturers actually teach us throughout the whole 5 days. It's exactly like what this says, where it's like fire and water. So where you have the Dr. Glider takes us soar above with all the knowledge. So Dr. Glider will actually tell us all things slowly, carefully, slowly, right? Yeah, bit by bit. Okay, yes. And then Nick would interject with this and that. Wow, I love it. Okay, it's like fire and water. So we really like that. It won't be complete without any of you. So thank you very much. And next up is everything here that we learn must end with these three: love, passion, and patience, because it all takes process, and we're doing what we love. Be passionate about it, and like what Miss Jeffy actually said, hopefully we're patient enough to see what we sow is what we're going to reap later on. Thank you very much.
So I would like to raise a glass, but we don't have any wine. So I would like to put my hand on my chest, saying that here's to a better teaching, learning more, and stay curious, everybody. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, next I would like to invite Ibu Kiki and also Pak Ardi to deliver some special gifts that we have already prepared for the wonderful speakers. So, Mr. Gilder and Mr. Salzi, please come forward. Hopefully you like it.
I hope you have enough.
Yeah, you have enough space in your luggage.
You can give the your
And then like to also invite Bapak Zainur and Ibu Cecilia to deliver a token of appreciation from the Directorate of Secondary and Special Education Teachers and Directorate General of Teachers, Education Personnel, and Teacher Education.
So you don't have to go to Tamrin City. You don't have to go to Tamrin City.
Yeah, and this is my color.
Use it. Wear it.
You can try it on now. You can try it on. Yeah. I would like to also invite Bapak Syamsul Hadi to also deliver a token of appreciation from the ministry.
Pak Samsul, ada sini Pak. Dari sana Pak. Iya. Dilihatin. Dikeluarin dari atas.
Keluarin aja nggak apa-apa.
Nah. Aman?
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Bapak Syamsul Hadi. We still have some photo session, yeah?
Ayo Mas. Nah, Mas Jayus. Oke.
Yang foto Miss Angki.
One, two,
Smile. Smile.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Iteration, maybe?
Yes.
Iteration. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, everybody.
Need to replace the fluid.
All right, everybody. Next is the award for the group, and for that we would like to invite the one and only class captain. Should we say? Okay, Bapak Sandro.
Okay, this is so amazing. Okay, thank you, Miss Salva. Friends, I'm so grateful to be here. I'm so proud of you all. Thank you so much from Flinders team. You are so great. I would like to announce you the most attractive, the most creative, and the most supportive team of this class. And the winner goes to first. The most attractive team goes to when I call your team, please
Stand up comedy.
step forward. Step forward, please. Just one person. Do not all of you. First, the most attractive team goes to Bonnie. Please welcome. And the second. And the second, the most creative team. The most creative team goes to Majapahit. Last but not least, the most supportive team. The most supportive team goes to Sriwijaya. Okay, for your information, for all of you to know that the souvenir is presented by Miss Cecilia. Okay. Oke. Kita dulu. Oke, the second. Thank you.
I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best.
Mantap. The last but not least. Indonesia, we did it. So attractive. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so before the last performance, which is also very special, I would like to repeat what Ibu Syahda has already delivered in the testimony, that we're not just living with a micro-credential, but we are living with some new insights, hopefully some new skills, and the confidence, the motivation, the dedication to make a real difference in our schools. We actually would like to invite Bapak Ardi. Stand-up comedy. Come on, Pak. You can do it, Pak. You can do it. Nyanyi dangdut.
Aku nyanyi. Mau nyanyi apa, Mbak? Coba invite. Nggak tahu sih. Dangdut ya? Tira Jana lah. Bisa. Tira Jana tapi dengan catatan sama berdiri ya. Aku nyanyi sama berdiri. Ya.
Dicas ya?
Full. Kita pecahkan tempat ini. Ya.
Kiki, penari latarnya.
Semua tangan di atas gini. You have to do like that.
Dibesarin. Mana ininya? Pernah aku melihat musik di Taman Ria, iramanya Melayu, duhai sedap sekali. Iramanya Melayu, duhai sedap sekali. Sulingnya suling bambu, gendangnya kulit lembu. Dangdut suara gendang, rasa ingin berdendang. Dangdut suara gendang, rasa ingin berdendang. Hei Rajana, hei Rajana, ini lagunya, lagu ini. Merdu suara, oh penyanyi, serasi dengan lijahnya. Karena asiknya aku, sampai tak sadari, pinggul bergoyang-goyang, rasa ingin berdendang. Pinggul bergoyang-goyang, rasa ingin berdendang. This is dangdut, local song from Indonesia. Dangdut. Pernah aku melihat musim di Taman Ria, iramanya Melayu, duhai sedap sekali. Iramanya Melayu, duhai sedap sekali. Sulingnya suling bambu, gendangnya kulit bambu. Dangdut suara gendang, rasa ingin berdendang. Dangdut suara gendang, rasa ingin berdendang. Terajana, terajana, ini lagunya, lagu ini. Hai merdunya, hai merdunya, merdu suara, oh penyanyinya, serasi dengan lincah gayanya. Karena asiknya hingga tak sadari. Pinggul bergoyang-goyang, rasa ingin berdendang. Pinggul bergoyang-goyang, rasa ingin berdendang. Thank you. I got 2025. 25 smile. It's not bad.
Bapak Ibu, uangnya tolong dikembalikan. Dikembalikan.
Terus maksudnya tadi itu stimulus. Rupanya nggak jalan.
Itu tadi UDL.
Stimulus yang tidak berhasil.
Oke, Bapak Ibu, hopefully you're not tired yet. We need to stand again for our last performance from Ibu Ruth. Come on guys, we make a circle please. And don't forget your phone. Let's sing it together guys. And for you can sing that.
Datang akan pergi,
akan berpisah. Hey, sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu. Ku tak siap untuk dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu. Datang akan pergi, lewatkan berlalu, ada dan tiada bertemu, akan berpisah, awal kan berakhir, terbitkan tenggelam, pasang akan surut bertemu, akan berpisah.
Semua tangannya ketinggian.
Sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi,
Kita sambil sama-sama ya guys.
meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu. Ku tak siap tanpa dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu. Sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu. Ku tak siap tanpa dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu. Sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Ku relakan dirimu pergi, meskipun ku tak siap untuk merindu. Ku tak siap tanpa dirimu. Ku harap terbaik untukmu. Datang akan pergi, lewatkan berlalu, ada dan tiada bertemu, akan berpisah. I miss you. Terbitkan sampai jumpa di lain hari, untuk kita bertemu lagi. Hey, thank you everybody.
Yes.
Wow. Wow, such a moment. Such a moment.
Take
Yes.
a moment, guys. Take a moment.
That really a great job. Yes, we'll take a picture here.
Take the moment.
Let's go, Jenny. Inside inspiration, yeah. You said it. Everybody, let's take a picture here.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, please sit down and let's we have a take. Well, let's we have the take. Let's take a picture first, group by group, yeah.
Yes.
Oke, grup first. Ini buat
Group by group and then we are together.
Miss Cecile,
Who is it?
Mr. Zay, Mom, Dr. Gilda, outline. Mr. Nix, please sit down.
Almost 30, but not yet.
empat aja.
Only four? Okay.
Sekaligus semua tidak?
Ya, tunggu dulu.
Grup dulu.
Per grup dulu.
Grup dulu.
Nanti ada
Berarti kalau grup ada 8 dong.
Jangan lupa.
Oke, kelompok satu silakan langsung.
Majapahit.
Iya. Aduh, kalau masih ada air mata boleh dihapus dulu ya.
Udah.
Masukin Bu Vika ya.
Bu Vika udah ngirim loh fotonya.
Ya, kelompok satu udah semua.
Kelompok 1 boleh maju.
Oh, ini kelebihan bangkunya ya.
Iya, kelebihan.
Oke.
I feel old sitting down.
Oh.
Informasi dari
Satu lagi mana?
Udah siap?
Paling keren adalah
Ibu. Something cheerful. Backgroundnya nggak apa-apa ya. Nyalain.
Oke.
Oke, sudah. Kelompok
2.
Next, kelompok 2. Aman bisa.
kayak kelinci yang ini suka marah-marah apa? Oke.
Kelompok 3.
Kelompok 3.
Kita bukan?
Bu Lisa mana ya?
Di hati
Lisa mana ya?
hanya rasa ini. Jika tua nanti kita telah hidup masing-masing, ingatlah hari ini.
Ayo kita foto lagi.
Ayo Pak.
Pak Jayus, masih dap. Satu lagi satu. Nah itu Mas. Berdiri
Kamu sangat berarti, istimewa di hati, selamanya rasa ini. Karena kita sudah kuat, jadilah ingat saja, ingatlah hari ini. Ini untuk yang udah tua. Habis ini untuk yang muda. Four. Yes, udah mulai lupa kelompoknya.
Udah nggak sih? Kok nggak kerasa ya?
Siap-siap kelompok 5.
Lima. Mending happy. Yang muda. Kamu sangat berarti, istimewa di hati, selamanya rasa ini. Yang muda aja please. Jika tua nanti kita telah hidup masing-masing, ingatlah hari
Kelompok 6. Siap-siap kelompok saya bersama-sama semua.
Sejatiku, ingatkan dari ingatanmu, di waktu kita saling berbagi. Sejuta mimpi, aku datang menemanimu. Kita selalu berpendapat, kita itu yang terhebat, kesombongan di masa muda yang indah. Aku raja, kau pun raja, aku hitam, kau pun hitam. Segera materi. 1, 2, 3, go!
Kedatanganku jangan pernah lepaskan.
Pakai tongsis timer. Timer.